Alright, so today I'm going to take you to a couple of my favorite spots to eat. Now these aren't necessarily the cheapest or the best, but I consider them a pretty authentic Mexican food. And they're in no particular order. And so we'll check out a couple of them today. Now most of these restaurants are within walking distance from my place, and I'm staying on 6th Street between 20 and 25th Avenue. And I'm kind of doing this just to kind of show you options off of 5th Avenue. And these restaurants here are very decently priced compared to 5th Avenue, so do a little bit of walking and you'll get a better experience. Just get off of 5th Avenue for a little bit. We're coming up on 30th Avenue here, and I'll show you the first restaurant that I highly recommend. Up on the first restaurant here, this is El Falgon. They're very well known for their tacos al pastor. This one is located on 30th Avenue and 6th Street. I'd have to say that they do have some of the best al pastor that I've eaten in Playa. Now they have several different locations. I've tried the one on Quesadilla, and there's one more location, but I can't think of exactly where it's at. This location here I've eaten quite a few times, and great service, great food, great prices. So again, this is on 30th Avenue and 6th Street. So this restaurant here is Quesadilla, and located on 30th Avenue and 2nd Street. If you want the very authentic Mexican food, and again, the name says it's from the Veracruz region. Tamales, fish, everything you can think of, and at excellent prices too. Very cheap to eat here. Great service, little restaurant. In the summertime it gets blazing hot in there, so just be aware of that. This restaurant here is called El Gusto Parroquia, I think I'm pronouncing it correctly. This is mainly a seafood restaurant. I've also eaten here quite a bit. Really good meal for 2 people. Runs about $30. That's including drinks and everything. And of course you can get cheaper, but typically I average about $30 here. And this is at 30th and right before Benito Juarez. Really good food here. If you do come here, I suggest getting the paella. Move on to the next restaurant. This next restaurant here, if you like chicken, because that's all they serve, but some of the tastiest grilled chicken you'll ever have. And I believe it's a Sinaloan inspired, yeah, Sinaloan type grilled chicken. This is a very local place. You can eat in or a takeout. Pretty easy ordering system also. You can buy one chicken, whole chicken, at 130 pesos. or half a chicken at 80 pesos. Extremely good. I don't know what their method is of grilling, but they put pounds and pounds of chicken out. I'm talking about probably a couple 100 pounds of chicken every day, every single day. They have a little bit of weird hours. I believe they're open from 10 to 6. And they're on 2nd and 20th, I believe. Yeah. Very authentic. You ordered the chicken meal, or the chicken dinner, and it comes with rice, an assortment of vegetables, and some tortillas. It does fill you up. I can buy a whole chicken and it lasts me 2 days, so 2 days worth of food for 130 pesos, which I believe is $7 or so. And here is Las Quecas. I believe this is on 4th or 2nd Street, right before you get to 30th Avenue. Very popular. It's a chain, I believe, but very good quesadillas. Might be able to see. I think it's 18 pesos for a quesadilla here. Very local restaurant, so another one of my favorites. This area here on Thursday and Friday night, it's filled with probably a good, I'd say 14, 15 taco carts, street taco carts here. So if you're into that, very good prices. This is just about 2 blocks off of 5th Avenue. I believe these guys used to be inside the park here, and for some reason they got kicked out. They all got kicked out. I guess they wanted to clean up the park or whatever. Find some really good tacos. There's all sorts of things here. They sell little sandwiches, but as you can see, everybody's here. I believe it's a little bit past 9, and everybody here is kind of grabbing breakfast right now. So sometimes I'll stop here on the way to 5th Avenue and grab something to eat, so I don't have to spend a ton of money on 5th Avenue for dinner. So, and again, not too far. It's on 2nd Street and just past 20 or 15th, I think. So that's about it. That's about all the main stops that I stop in to grab something to eat. And maybe I'll do more of these if you guys are interested. And thanks for watching.